guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to create this simple and stunning Durga Puja look for you guys. Now in this video I will be using only Sugar Cosmetics products. Yes, this is a collaboration with Sugar Cosmetics. So all the product details will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And if you guys want to know how I create this stunning look, then please keep on watching. My final look. Let me know if you guys like it or not. You can use whatever products you have. You can use green, blue, black, red, bronze, any kind of shade on your lower lash line, and it will look beautiful, you guys. Just extend it and smudge it so that it stays for really long, and that will be it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My goal is to reach 50k subscribers, so please do subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.